for a promise of a better Samoa. So many times we have been to the launch of annual reports, quarterly reports, audited accounts, development papers. Well-written, robust narratives. O le māngai o ngai kusi. Kaunga kā, le lolo minga. O le susua i o upu, ma whamakalanga. Do we buy in? Do we believe that it holds merit for us? Great intentions and promises, yet are we going to be like Jonah? A massive proclamation out of necessity, yet we are not here and not able to reaffirm that we buy in. This afternoon, that is my prayer, that we collectively stand and declare that these documents are ours. Not only for us here today, but for our children and the benefit of all Samoans. In the story of Jonah, there are two ships. There's their ship moving towards the Lord, and there's the other ship that runs away from our obligations and duties. E lua va'a o lo tāua e le tana lea. O le va'a o lo sola, ma le fina ngalo pa ia o le atua, ma le va'a a la atou e whaia lona fina ngalo. O le tatalo lea o le whailotu, whaatasi ai ma le sunga le whaia aonga, ma le whaletua pensione, ma tātou uma. Ia sa o le tātou sā, ia sa o le tātou va'a, tātou wō whaatasi, e sā ili manuia. I remember what one old man said in our village. We did not come this far, well, just to come this far. Samoa, we have come this far to keep going, to go, and to go. So when someone asks you who you are, where do you come from, and what do you stand for, you can say with conviction, I am a Samoan. I am a citizen of this great country. I am a product of my parents and of my village. And yes, I do believe that these documents breathe, and these documents will bring life and change for the betterment of us and our children. Choose you this day, who will you serve? But for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Finally, leaders, you know, one of the things I enjoy about this passage is when Joshua never, ever consulted anyone. Ele yalu Yosua mafisiri, vea o masui ar kako aina, vea o masui ar kako ngu. No, for a leader knows what's best. He feels it, she feels it, she knows it, she sees it. And they say, without having